Everybody knows you already. Does everybody know Firoza Chaudhry? थोड़ा सा आप कुछ आज की
अम्मा के बच्चे
कहना चाहेंगे?
अब डेफिनेटली मैं सबको सलाम करूंगी ना एक्सपेक्ट वालेकुम सलाम वेरी लाउडली अस्सलाम वालेकुम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सो नाइस माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह। अब अतिया की तारीफ मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, क्या शी इज अ मदर, शी इज अ डॉटर, शी इज अ बहू, शी इज अ सास, शी इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर इन द बिजनेस वर्ल्ड, a big name in the real estate mashallah. That I don't know. That's my son, so he complains a lot. You lost my train of thought, actually. So I don't even know where to start with her and where to end with her, because I think it'll be too little no matter what I say. Right? Am I correct, please? Yes. And Talha के बारे में क्या कहूँ? डॉक्टर तलहा क्या है? माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह, we all know he's excellent. What little I know of him through my daughter or before him. Would I say that, Talha? Yes. Excellent. We know he's an excellent doctor. He's got a very big name, mashallah. And in the music world, I think he's it. Like Athiya always says, is there anyone like him? I don't think so. So let's give a big hand to Mr. and Mrs. Talha Masood.